Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi, guys. I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity, and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now, this afternoon and evening, when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. All right, Taurus, welcome to your reading for the month of July. Let's get started and pick 3 cards for you and another 3 from our second pack. First up, we have Romance. Ooh, lovely energy, lovely card. Second, we have Listening. And third up, we have Celebration. Beautiful cards, guys. Excellent. Let's go ahead with our second pack for clarity, the angel answers. Okay. And how that we've got here, is it's up to you. Interesting. It's up to you. Beautiful energy, yeah? It's up to you. Success. Beautiful. Success. And lastly, we have the birds are at sunset time, guys. So the birds are going off to sleep. And so there's a little bit of bird noises outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds quite nice on my side. Last card, recovery. So maybe you have been going through something and you need some rest and rejuvenation. Let's get started. Beautiful cards, romance, listening, and celebration. Excellent energy, Taurus, for the month of July. Again, the month of July is usually it's 7 number. So again, the month of July the month of July is a 7 numerologically month, and 7 is a lucky number. 777, as you know, is the jackpot number, and winning the jackpot usually seeing 777 means great news. So this month it's all about flow, as you've seen in the messages or from the oceans. It's all about receiving this month and your ships coming in. So I think actually a collective message for all the signs is a lot of receiving your abundance, your manifestations, and having that come in for you without much effort on your part. And this is kind of reflecting the same thing. One, you have romance coming in, and this is romance that you have been looking forward to. It's not seeming to be a surprise. It's seeming that something has been flowing and you have been looking forward to it. Second is listening. So it's important to listen and not just hear. Listen and appreciate both sides, I'm saying, of a conversation. And celebration. Remember, with your flowing of manifestations coming in, there'll be lots to celebrate, lots to welcome in, and one of those things being your romance, romantic life, love life. And the listening can go twofold. It's not just that you can listen and not you. I'm also saying that you have been listening, you have been doing good to heed the call of those things or people that have been important to you, that you have spoken with or for. And by you listening and being open to a two-way flow of communication, it is exuding this month a sense of receptivity of all that you've been manifesting, whether it be in your love life, your home life, career life, study, finance, well, anything and everything. And the last three cards for the angel answers, it's up to you. So whatever you do want to manifest, it is up to you. Whatever you put your attention to, where attention goes, energy flows. So whatever you put your attention to is what you will be attracting this month, and there will be success is assured, and it's a lovely, beautiful violet flame energy, and that always exudes a sense of royalty, a sense of luring energy, and also enchanting. So definitely putting energy and towards what's you want to come true this month will be successful. But remember, Taurus, to take some time out for recovery, for rest, rejuvenation, recovery, having time out. Make sure that you sorry, I'm attracted to the noise of the birds. I don't know if you can hear it as they go at sunset time. So maybe that's also a sign. I always say whatever happens in a reading is a sign. So having birds going home at sunset to rest, to recover. So remember to recover, remember to sleep well, eat well, and remember to also hydrate, drink lots of water. Maybe you haven't been focusing as much on your health as you normally do. Maybe it's been an intense few months, it's been busy for most signs, so naturally it would be for you too, Taurus. Make sure you this month balance out whatever has been off balance. If it was your sleep, have a bit more sleep, have 8 to 10 hours depending how much you need. If it was lighting while you sleep, try to adjust those things, lighting, noise cancelling, white noise, or anything that you seem to have that seem to have caused your lack of sleep. And the last one is remember to eat well. So remember to have lots of, I'm seeing vegetables and fruits, but also green leafy vegetables in conjunction with your meals. Often that's the first one that people lack, because in conjunction with protein and carbs, it's important to have a fresh vegetables and fruits. So, Taurus, that's what I'm seeing for you for the month of July. It is a lucky month, like I said, 777. It's a lovely energy for all signs. Make sure you take advantage of this by receiving your energy, getting your success, having recovery, but also remembering it's up to you. Whatever you wish to create, comment down below with what you do wish to create, and make sure to make those dreams come true. This month, it's also about romance for you and celebration. Beautiful cards, guys. Excellent. Happy July, Taurus. I hope you have a great one, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hi, guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum. So I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies, actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie, actually, that I've been watching recently. I think the energy, I think whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port, actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat thing out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy you spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help you to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection well to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright, guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the elements of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create in your dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth. Remember to be and stay grounded, and just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings, and I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky, and remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.